is this one of the best looking gravel bikes you've ever seen. This is the Brother Mehteh Tequila Sunrise. This is a steel gravel bike with a carbon fibre fork. It's Reynolds 725 steel. Brother are a British brand. So this is a custom build that we've done. We've done a pair for some of our club members. The other one is currently being built. That is in black. This one is the Tequila Sunrise. So just a little walk around, a little spec check of what we've built this up with. So the wheelset is the Hope RX40 carbon rims. So they're 40mm depth and straight pull spokes on their Pro 5 hubs. So the straight pull hubs cut down on a bit of weight along with the center lock rotor mounts. High engagement from the new Pro 5 hubs that came out last year. We paired that up with the Sram Rival 13 speed Explore Groupset. So the Brother Mehteh frame is UDH, and as you can see there, we've hard mounted the Rival mech to the frame, along with the 46 tooth cassette, flat top chain, Rival chain set with a 42 tooth ring. The new Rival chain sets have a little cutout there to save a bit of weight. And the Rival levers, lever blades are carbon fibre. These are, in my point of view, these are a way better design than the previous model, specifically when braking. So the brake feel on the new levers is like nothing else. It's amazing, way better, really light lever. The previous generation of Rival levers were very heavy. And also the shifter button on the previous generation got in the way. So when you were holding the handlebars and you were shifting, as you can see there, it clears my finger. It didn't on the old ones, which meant you couldn't really brake very well and your fingers were getting in the way. So these are completely redesigned and a million times better than the old ones. Obviously ETAP, so electronic. Carbon fibre fork to help with compliance, reduce a little bit of weight on the front end. We paired it up with a Hope headset there. All right, so external on the bottom, 1.5, and then internet at the top, internal. Yeah, so the fork comes with a flip chip, which you can adjust the rake of the fork, so you can make it more stable, or you can make the turning a little bit more sharper with that. The Sram Paceline rotors, center lock, 160mm front and rear. We have BBB gel tape, best in the game as far as I'm concerned. Super comfortable, super grippy, along with an Easton Finishing Kit. So Easton EA70AX bars, stem and the seat post, along with an SDG Bel Air Overland saddle. Really comfortable saddles. Moving down, the frame is BSA threaded bottom bracket, so we've opted for the SRAM dub for the Rival crankset there. Rear caliper mounted there. These calipers are way better than the old ones. The braking power in these is just incredible. And then you can see the Hope hub there, finished in black. You do get with the Hope wheels the corresponding tubeless valves to go with the color of your hubs. So if you pick red hubs, you'll have red valves. Blue hubs, blue valves. They supply those with the wheels, along with wheel bags with this specific set. As far as I'm concerned, gravel bikes don't get much better than that. This is a bike that you can take absolutely anywhere. You can load it up with luggage. You can go and have a hack around on a Sunday afternoon on your club ride. You can ride it in comfort. It's got everything going for it. Steel as a material to ride is super comfortable, really compliant. Yes, it's a little bit heavier than carbon fibre, but you know, the trade-off is you get a lot more comfort out of it. Couple that with a carbon fibre fork, reduces a little bit of weight. I haven't weighed this bike yet, but I will put the weight on screen once I've weighed it. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.